It's a 5-second rule game. आपने 5 सेकंड के अंदर इन चीज़ों का जवाब देना है, right? So the first question, is name 3 Pakistani fashion designers that you love.
Zain Hashmi, Ansab Jahangir, Hussein Rahar.
Ah, nice. 3 makeup brands you use daily.
I don't wear makeup daily.
You don't.
Okay.
Okay, let's say cleansers or whatever. Let's talk about the product instead of a brand.
Sure.
Okay.
Okay, daily. I use La Roche-Posay.
Okay. It's a really good one though.
Pond's.
Really suits me. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. And oh my God.
Okay, that's okay. So
That's it.
So let's come to the product. Cleanser, makeup removers, kajal,
Yeah.
blush on. What is the product that you like?
Oh, okay. I do eyebrow gel,
Okay.
lip gloss, and moisturizer. I can't live without those 3 things.
Got it. Yeah, makes sense. I can see those things. I can see a little bit of highlighter, but I think that's for the TV.
Yeah, that's for you guys today.
Wow, we feel special. 3 skincare essential that every model needs in her bag. And since you
Sunblock.
travel so much.
Yeah, sunblock. That's like my anti-aging 101.
Really?
A really good moisturizer and makeup wipes.
Makeup wipes.
I have gone to the airport with full makeup sometimes and everyone's like, what?
Oh my God, I can imagine. 3 fashion weeks you'd love to walk in. Or you've already probably walked in.
I've done London Fashion Week.
Oh,
so
nice.
I'd say New York Fashion Week, Milan, and Paris.
Wow.
Those
You
are
were
my
just in New
list.
York for such a long time too.
Yeah.
What were you doing over there?
I was there to attend the Time 100 Summit.
Ah,
Yeah.
okay. Okay, 3 beauty trends you dislike.
Contouring. Just don't like it. Botox. I don't know if that counts.
Yeah.
And sleek hairdos.
Sleek hairdos, oh, even I don't like that. I like natural hair too.
Yeah.
Okay, 3 famous international models that you admire.
Kate Moss. Bella Hadid. And
All right.
that's it.
Yeah, okay. 3 poses every model should master. In fact, can you tell us some like face poses when you're making like...
Okay, I'll give
Tell
you
us.
a hint. When you're modeling, often you have to just kind of keep a gap between your lips, so you're just like, you look like surprised.
Okay.
And the trick to do that is you actually push your tongue to the roof of your mouth.
Oh.
See, you did, yeah, you did it. Yeah, that's it. That's like
I love
key.
it.
That's key.
Okay,
and
I love it.
chin down.
Chin
Don't
down.
ever put your chin up.
Oh yeah, I tend to put my
Just
chin
makes
up.
your features look strange. Yeah.
Okay, awesome. So I think our audience has a fun tip from you. I like that. 3 modeling, agencies in Pakistan or modeling agencies generally that you think can help women right now if they want to model.
I don't know that any exist personally. I know that there's talent managers.
Talent managers.
I haven't heard good things about talent, modeling agencies in Pakistan. So I'm being completely honest. So I would say find one person to represent you. If you join an agency, you get lost in the noise of their talent. Yeah.
You're right. You're right. 3 foods you can't resist.
Twinkies. Pakola. I don't know if that counts.
Yeah.
And
yeah, it's okay.
KFC, popcorn chicken.
Okay. I'm getting hungry now. 3 celebrities you'd love to meet.
Meryl Streep. Michelle Yeoh. And Leonardo DiCaprio. My favorite actors, basically.
Oh my God, yes. But you probably have to be younger for that.
Yeah. I'm not 25 anymore.
Not anymore. Maybe you don't stand a chance. 3 social media platforms you use.
Instagram, TikTok, obsessed, so funny, and Pinterest. Love
Pinterest,
it.
okay,
Yeah.
same.
Yeah.
3 qualities a Miss Universe should have.
Integrity, confidence, and cultural exposure.
Amazing, cultural exposure, hands down the last one. 3 fashion items you cannot live without.
Ooh. A shoulder bag, kitten heels, and a cardigan.
Oh, cardigan, yeah. Even not in Karachi, I'm sure.
Even in Karachi.
Even in Karachi, really?
Yeah, Dolman Mall, have you been there? It's freezing.
Yeah, that's true. Okay, 3 qualities you look for in a friend.
Loyalty, kindness, and fun.
Fun,
Yeah.
okay. 3 things that make you truly happy.
Nature, family, and food.
Amazing.
I'm a simple girl. Yeah, just feed me
Amazing,
and I'm happy.
Amazing. Okay, so and what kind of acting projects are you looking into now?
I really want to work in the indie film space. I want to be a part of stories that get overlooked. I personally love indie film more than anything. So if we were talking about a genre I want to work in, it would be drama, maybe even horror.
Yeah, horror would be
really
great. We're
challenging.
making movies too, yeah.
Yeah.
Do you think you could do that? Yeah, it really.
I think I could do horror very well, weirdly. I don't actually watch horror movies because they terrify me.
Yeah.
But I think as an actor, it's, yeah.
You could, absolutely. Okay, any last message you'd like to give the audience before we end the segment? Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you.
It's been an absolute pleasure to host you. Anything you'd like to say?
I think I just want to share my feeling of gratitude for everyone who's supported me. I started a completely new career in Pakistan and I have been received with open arms. So everyone in the industry who has booked me for a shoot, given me a pep talk when I had a mental breakdown, like I'm just so grateful that I moved back here because it's been such a nice way to reconnect with Pakistan and I've made so many friends. So it's been the best year being Miss Universe Pakistan. Thanks for having me.
Absolutely. It's an absolute pleasure to have you as well. And I'm wishing you all the best with handing over this title to somebody else tomorrow. And I know it's a big step for you, but it's a big step in your development as well. And wishing you all the best for the future.
Thank you. Thanks so much.
Thank you so much for being here.